Well, the good news today is we kept the streak rolling. Hey, fellow traders, it's Black Coffee Trader. It's Friday, July the 25th. Wrapping up the day here on a day where I was not that comfortable with the market today. Really thought for a while I might not even get a trade. Finally took a break and retest short of the prior day low in the Russell, and ended up with basically a break-even trade. I think I lost $7 on this trade. I moved my stop up a little bit on this entry or on this exit here, because at the exact time that this was pushing higher, we were having kind of pullbacks on the NASDAQ, and we were having a kind of a sideways action going on here on the ES, and I thought maybe it's going to reject, the Dow Jones, let's see, that was right around here. The Dow Jones was pretty flat, and so I thought, well, I'll push my stop up a little bit. So I could have got out of this trade. My original stop loss was right here, right above the CPI highs. So basically took this entry looking for, whoops, let me just get this correct. Took this entry, beautiful retest of the prior day lows. We had the move down in the morning in consolidation. We retested it, took the short, took 4 contracts off, and really this was the trade. It was just a really, really short, quick little trade, and I should have just killed it. Or I shouldn't even say it that way. It was a great trade. I'm not upset with this at all. This pays for the loss essentially, but my original stop was right here. And if I would have gotten stopped out, I would have had a, I don't know, $20 or $30 win per account on that specific trade. But I decided, you know what, I'm gonna just give it some space, because I can give it some space. If I get stopped out, I'll have a very, very small loss. I think it was like $7. So I did, and the trade just ended up not working, and that was completely fine. But a good day, good trade. And then over here on the NASDAQ, after that, I took this little scalp long. And this honestly was literally just a trade for me to get green, to keep this green streak going. I think this might have been like a $30 trade. So that was it. I didn't trade a whole lot at all. Took some stupid trades on my eval accounts, which I'll get to in a minute. But today, 50% win rate. Average win was $21. Average loser was $6. So, very nice win to loss. And we kept the green streak going. So, again, it's nice. I'm not a big deal, but it's kind of cool to have a couple of green days in a row. So up 1,100 this week, and on the month, we're still down $400. So we got next week left. So hopefully we can continue this green trend that we're in and catch some good trades. Let's look at this week. The weekly stats are a little bit better, I think. I like that better. 1,100, 83% win rate. So I had one losing trade today. Let's see, for the week, what was our 12.3? Obviously, because we only had one little teeny weeny loss for $6. Our average winner was 77, so a very nice average there. Took two trades. This was 3 trades. This was 1 trade. So 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trades on the week. 9 winners and 1 loser. So we'll take that. We will take that. But anyway, that's that. Now for the ups and downs on the evals. The Alpine account had a decent little day, up $650 on that one. This Tradeify account up $270, and then the Take Profit account, we lost $1,000 on it. And the other 2, we were down 400 and 700. Just got chopped up here in late day, taking some stupid trades with a lot of size, and almost blew them up. But anyway, I guess we have more drawdown than I'm thinking, but down below the 50,000 marker, which I don't like. So I'm going to get aggressive with those on Monday and Tuesday probably, and try to get those pushed up higher. I might even get a little bit more aggressive with this 150K, just to try to push it along. But we're at 1,500 in profit, so still got quite a ways to go to get a pass. But anyway, so that was the day. But the good news is the streak lives on, and I feel pretty good about my trading. I really do. Kind of with the weekly recap, so to speak. My headspace was really good, and today I wasn't seeing the market. I wasn't seeing it. I wasn't confident in it, and I just stayed away. And to be honest with you, that was a big win. It was a big, big win. The one I probably missed was this one. In the morning trade plan, I was looking at this flag pattern, possibly seen a breakout. That's exactly what happened. I thought we may retest the 800s. We did. We tested it perfectly. And at the time that this was happening, right around the 10 o'clock hour, ES was totally chopping sideways. And there was really no definitive trend of which direction we were going to break to. And on the NASDAQ, very much, we were right around this time frame. We had moved up and kind of started to go sideways. And I really just wasn't confident enough in the market trend to take the stab with such a quick move down and a push back out of it. If we would have consolidated here a little bit and then taken the move higher, I probably would have taken that long. So, I missed a trade there, but I would rather miss it than just jump into a trade because I think something's going to happen without getting a good confirmation of a trade set up, and then having a big loss. So I'm okay with missing that. The trade was there and we just didn't capitalize on it today, but that's okay. And overall, again, we had a good solid week. Let's look at the week itself on the account. So on the Tradeify account, the 03 account, we made 744 on it this week. On the newest one, we were at 380. So 2 days above 150. Today was obviously not. And the brand new Apex account, the day one only, $20. So no biggie. But yeah, good week. $1,100, 5 green days. I'm going to take it. So happy about that. And we'll move on from there. So last but not least, I just want to remind you that the Apex 90% off sale is back. We have a 90% off flash sale. There's the banner rotating for us. 90% off goes through Tuesday the 29th. So take advantage of that sale if you're trading with Apex and need evals. That is the best sale that they ever run. I definitely am going to be buying some evals, and I think I'm going to buy some 150Ks. I'm going to buy a bunch of 50s. I'm going to buy several 150s and try to get to 20 funded accounts with Apex. That has been a goal of mine for a very long time, and I'm going to use this 90% off sale to try to stock up on evals and try to get them passed and get back into a bunch of funded accounts. So that's my plan, and that's what I'm going to work on doing. So again, just thank you for those of you that use my code. I appreciate that very much. BCT gets you the best deal with Apex, also with Take Profit Trader, and they do have that great 40% off, no activation fees deal going on right now. So good deal there as well. And again, just thank you. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel and helping me out. I certainly do appreciate it. So, hey, I hope you guys had a great week. Let me know how you did this week. Was it a good week for you? Was it a bad week for you? How'd you do? And have a great weekend, and we'll catch up with you next week. So until next time, take care and so long.